how to buy USDT or Tether on Binance. Now for us to get this done, what we're going to do is just basically tap this one right here, and we're going to go ahead and just basically click the more services down below, and we're going to go ahead and click here search, and we're going to go ahead and look for buy. So you should be seeing here an option that says buy crypto. Go ahead and click that over there, and then what you're going to do is just fill this in. For example, the amount, how much would it be? So you have here the minimum and the maximum. Say for example, I'm just going to buy about 600 pesos worth of Tether, and then you have here the approximate of how much Tether you're going to receive, and then you have here the Tether, and then you have here the payment. You can click this one in order for you to select from different payment options down here. Now I'm gonna close this one and say for example we're done there. I'm going to click buy USDT. Now from here, what we are going to do is just basically try to take a look at this one right here, make sure that everything there is correct. Now we're going to go ahead and proceed. I'm going to click view payment details, click next, and then click next. Okay, and then what you're going to do from this point forward is just basically pay this one again through Gcash. So you're going to go ahead and pay this one and to this particular number or account number. Now if you want to pay using QR code, just go ahead and hit that option there. It says view QR, just like so, and you're going to go ahead and pay here. Afterwards, say for example you're done paying, you can just go ahead and follow here. Click the button below to notify the seller. So I'm going to click this over here, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload the payment proof, confirm this one, and just click this, and then click this one right here. And yeah, that is how you are going to buy USDT on Binance.